welcome to the unboxing of the P23 Bibo Bear mini fan. So over here there is an image of what this mini fan is going to look like, and some more information here, that another image of all these fans, and you can see this is what the name is, Bibo Bear mini fan. This is for desktop. This is rechargeable and it's also portable. There's a desktop fan basically. Charging time is 1.5 hours and battery capacity is 1200 mAh. And that's more or less it. Anything else that I should mention? Okay, the variant is blue. This is a blue colored desktop fan. Let's just open this box and show you what's inside. Okay, we have a setup guide for this fan, the mini fan, and this is what the fan looks like. There are a couple of cables. There's a cable here. This is a micro USB charging cable. There you can see there's a micro USB charging cable, and there's also a lanyard that comes with it. It's a nice touch. This is what the fan looks like. This is a desktop fan, so you have this swivel stand that it comes with, so you can put it like this and then use it. There's a micro USB charging port over here. I'm going to attach it to my laptop and see if this actually works. Oh yeah, it works perfectly. It works like a fan, a mini tabletop fan. So there's a button over here. So the moment you press that button, okay, so there are basically a lot of speed settings here. You press it once to turn it on. There you can see. Press it again to increase the speed a little bit. Press it the third time and this is the highest speed that you get. And press it again to switch it off. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the P23 Bibo Bear mini fan. Thank you for watching.